Well, hello everyone, Larry back with you again, and what I am working on today is the LT15 Sawmill. I've noticed a little bit of a variation in some of my last boards that I cut, and what I think I've got going on, and I'm going to be measuring and checking that. I think the bed is not quite level. What I think is actually taking place is it starts out level up here, and then as we get toward this end of the sawmill, I think it kind of goes uphill a little bit. I believe this end of the sawmill is a little bit higher than the other end of the sawmill, or that is the bed of the sawmill. So that's what I'm working on this morning, is seeing about leveling the bed on the LT15 start. So thank you for joining us on the channel today. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to us, be sure to subscribe. Come on, let's get started. I'm going to start by just putting a level on some places on the mill. Go ahead and raise the mill head up to get it kind of out of the way. If you'll notice, we're just a little bit low toward this area. At this point on the mill, we're right on the bubble. It continues the same at that point. Now, at this point here, it appears that it is starting to gradually make its way back up. Let's see how much. I'll keep the camera on this. There's just a little bit there. And right here you can see that it is going uphill. Still going uphill quite a bit at that point. And you can see here we are quite a bit uphill. We're about an 1/8 to almost 1/4 of an inch off of level going uphill right there. Trying to get to where that you can see it. After stretching the string across the bubble, appears to be level. A little bit of a rise up this way. So let me measure now these distances here off the string all the way down and see what we're looking at. The block that I have under each end is 3/4 of an inch. We're at 3/4 there. Three-quarters there. Three-quarters there. Just a little over 3/4 there. Again, just a little over 3/4 there. A little over 3/4 there. Three-quarters there. I think what we're going to try to do is right here, here on these supports, and this one here. I'm going to see about raising those just a little bit and see what that does. Spent a lot of time walking back and forth to the barn on this project. You might ask, why didn't I take the gator? Well, by the time you get in the gator, get it turned around, get out there and get stopped, park and brake, get back on it and come back. I can nearly be back and forth, and I need to exercise. Well, there you have it, folks. I took the time today to try to level the bed of the sawmill. What I was having was on the last board that I was cutting, it would be like 1.5 inches on each end, and it would be like 1.25 inches in the middle. So what was wrong is the end section of the sawmill bed was going uphill, and it was low here, and that weight of the board, the initial boards that I was cutting, they were holding down the board on the sawmill bed, or the log on the sawmill bed, and they were cutting pretty true. But when I came down to even some of those last ones, especially if it was thinner material that I was cutting on the last, it was raising up in the middle, and so it was causing it to be thinner in the middle than it was out here. So I took the time to level it, and also it was a little bit low on this side. So I raised this side, took a string, got the entire bed. I don't think there's anything like perfect, but we're pretty close to having everything level and I think in pretty good shape. So there you have it. Thank you for joining us on this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe it'll help you as you work with your sawmill, or just enjoy watching me working with my sawmill and the things that I do related to it. So again, thank you for joining us here on St. Nick's Farms today. I really do appreciate it. If you liked the video, of course, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, this is Larry from Northwest Alabama. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a great one.